everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to create a simple opening effect. If you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. First, we open VideoProc. Click here to enter the settings interface. Then, change your resolution to 9:16. Click down to return to the main interface. Then, import the prepared materials. If your material is horizontal, first drag it into the video track. And then click Fit to Screen in height, and adjust the position of the screen in the preview window, making sure the subject of the video is in center of the screen. Next, we find the mask in Effects. Drag it into the effect track. Adjust the duration in the timeline to match your video, and then adjust the radius in Inspector on the right, keeping the round corners within a reasonable range. Next, we click here again. Find background, and change the color to green. Then we export this video. If your video is vertical, simply fit it to the screen, and then process the video in the same way. Next, let's create a new project. Make sure the resolution is 16:9. And then, import the background material and put it into the video track. Then start creating the text part. We click Titles. Choose one from Created Titles and drag it into the overlay track. Then click Edit Text. Enter the text you want in the upper right input box. Then change the font of the text. Here we can choose a handwritten font, and then change the font size to 300. Next, continue to adjust the scale, horizontal and vertical of the text. Adjust it to a proper position. Next, find Animation. Choose Clip Down Row. And then click Line 2 here. Continue to edit the text. Also, choose a handwritten font. Adjust the font size and position. Choose Click Down Row for the entry method. And then find Animation Time. Adjust delay time to about 800 milliseconds. Finally, change the color of all the text to black. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Import the two videos we just created. Create a new overlay track. And then choose one video to import into the newly created track. Find Chroma key and check Enable to remove the green screen. Find Fit to Screen and click Wipe. Then enter the motion editor. First, we add keyframe on the far left, and then make the box fit to the screen. Add a second keyframe at 1 second, like this. Enlarge your box. Then adjust position to keep the screen centered. Adjust the speed to speed down. Add a keyframe at 2 seconds to keep the box still. Add a next keyframe between 3 to 4 seconds. Continue to enlarge the box and move it to the left. Adjust the speed to speed up. Finally, add a keyframe on the far right of the timeline to keep the position. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Then check Fade In. Create a new overlay track again. Put the other video into the track. Adjust the size and position of the video in the preview window. Find the Chroma key and check Enable to remove the green screen. Then check Fade In. Finally, adjust the appearance time of each element on the timeline. And this simple opening effect is complete. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more about the other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye!